Well guys, today we are going to be cooking sweet and sour chicken over the campfire. We've got a little campfire pit right down here that we can cook in. Let's get a fire made and then we'll start cooking. So every Friday this summer, we are going to be doing a food-related video. This is one of them. If you enjoy it, we also have our main adventures. Every Sunday we post up, so be sure to check back for that. So what we want here, what we're looking for is for this fire to ignite all the logs and then die down. That way we can put our cast iron skillets over. So we'll let this fire go for maybe another 30 minutes or so it can die down to those coals. All right, so we've got, I don't know, maybe a pound, half pound of chicken here, basically just 2 chicken breasts, and we are gonna cut it into little chunks for the sweet and sour chicken. All right. All right, so we've got the chicken all cubed up into small little bits. So I'm just gonna clean my knife here real quick. I'll get a little soap and water and take it down to the water and then wash my hands too. All right. Now we will make the batter for it. So what we've got is we've got cornstarch in here that we packed from home. That's all it's in here. Maybe about 2 cups. So we'll put some pepper in there. And we've got salt. There we go. I'm just gonna mix that in there. Cool. I'll close it first. There we go. And then that's kind of all there is to it. We'll just put the chicken in there. Then we got our vegetables. We've got some carrots and we got some broccoli. So I'm gonna start slicing. Let's go check on the fire. So what we're gonna do is just spread out these logs a little bit and make a nice spot for those Dutch ovens to go, or the cast iron skillets to go. I'm gonna put in a couple more logs, that way we can make a little base to set them on. So now that we've kind of created that oven, we're gonna set these in here to start preheating. All right, so we're just gonna put a little bit in there to fry the vegetables. And then this one is for frying the chicken. And we'll let that heat up. Well, unfortunately the water's really low, so I'm gonna have to get down there to get the water. this one, splash a little water in there. Notice that this one needs the oil, just kind of distribute it around a little bit. There we go. I might even take that one off for a sec. And this one's going over here, I think. Those flames though. I'm gonna go around this way. There we go. Well, let's grab the vegetables. We'll give that a sec still to cool down. Let's get that chicken in here and start tossing it. See if we can fish them out of there. Let's see if we can get it in there without creating a huge mess. Ooh, it worked out pretty good. I'm gonna go grab a spatula and a clean plate. A little instant rice. Let's take one of these pieces out and look at it. Maybe it's done.
All back.
I think that's done. You?
Yes.
Let's get them all out of there. Whew, that's hot. All right, time for a second batch. We'll just let that rice finish up. Take the oil off. Pick that up. All right, we'll just heat up the pineapple. That way you don't get all that juice in there. Just put that over the heat again for another couple seconds. So for the sauce, we're just going with some store-bought sauce. Gonna put the chicken in, mix it all together. All right. Let's get this plated up and dinner is served. Second plate's for my wife. Oh, that looks so good. We're gonna be eating good tonight. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of our cooking that we do on Fridays that we're going to be doing every week this summer. And if you guys want to see our main adventures, check it out this Sunday, or else I'll see you guys next Friday too.
Ready?
Yeah. Curious how it is.
I'm gonna go for broccoli and pineapple this bit.
That is really good. And like the vegetables.
They're so good. It's not like they're smoked, but there's something special about the like charredness of them.
Fire roasted.